This video presents the FG Wilson / Leroy-Somer RPES5 alternator, a 500 kVA unit. Key specifications include a rated current of 696A, rated RPM of 1500, and an R450 automatic voltage regulator or AVR. The alternator's tally plate shows detailed specifications, including the model P500P3, a rated power of 500 kVA, and a rated voltage of 415 240ths of a volt. A closer look at the product identification number plate reveals the model number RPES5 and the specific product identification number. This unit was manufactured in the United Kingdom. This plate confirms that the unit was specially manufactured by Leroy-Somer, a division of Emerson Electric, for FG Wilson Engineering Limited. Here is a full view of the used FG Wilson / Leroy-Somer RPES5 alternator, showing its overall condition and blue housing. This view shows the control box side of the alternator, highlighting the main components and informational labels. The coupling side of the alternator is visible here, showing the robust construction ready for installation. Finally, this image shows the rear end of the alternator, confirming its structure and ready state for integration.